হ্যাঁ স্যার, ফন্টসটা হয়ে গেছিল এরপর থেকে স্লো।
Okay, for the reminding, I am again just give you one font. Just and okay, so this is the CSS fonts. Again, I am just telling you the what is the CSS fonts for the reminder. So there are font means you can write your text, you can write your paragraph in the body in different style actually. Font means nothing but a different styling process you can write. So there are so many generic actually there in the font family. So many generic out there in the font family. So one is serif, second is sans serif, monospace, cursive, fantasy. There are so many font families out there. So here only 5 fonts actually is mentioned, but there are so many fonts in the CSS. But I have seen and I have used 10 to 11 fonts actually for making one project. But here only 5 fonts. Initially, you just remember the 5 fonts, but gradually when you gain more knowledge, you will understand. Serif, sans serif, monospace, cursive, and fantasy. So first goes to serif. What serif is doing? Serif fonts have a small stroke at the edge of each letter. Okay, so serif fonts have a small stroke at the edge of each letter, as we can already see. Just look this. Sans serif, serif, and serif. Red serif actually. Red serif means your red color is appeared in. Sans serif means this kind of thing. Serif means this kind of thing. It will be little bit stylish or whatever you say. And it is the red color is appeared here. That's why it is called red serif. That is the serif. And next we goes to sans serif. Sans serif is what? Fonts have clean lines, no small stroke attached. There is small stroke is out there. You just see carefully, just some small stroke is out there. So in the sans serif, what we are doing in sans serif, no small stroke is attached. They create a modern and minimalistic look. They just create a modern look actually. So next come to monospace. What are the monospace? Monospace here all the letters have the same fixed look. They create a mechanical look. Next cursive, we all seen in the programs. Until unless we cannot understand, we all see in the programs. Cursive fonts imitate human handwriting. It's called cursive. And what is fantasy? Fantasy and actually fantasy is fonts are decorative, playful fonts. So fonts are for styling purpose, for more attractive purpose. We use the fantasy generic in the font. So there are all the 3 font: serif, sans serif, monospace, cursive, and fantasy. These are the 3 serifs. Okay, so now see this table. Serif times New Roman, Georgia, whatever they are doing, see in the example, times New Roman, Georgia, Garamond. And next goes to sans serif. Sans serif is just looking like this: Verdana, Arial. And these are the monospace. Monospace is what? These kind of things are monospace. This is called cursive. Just your handwriting. And what is fantasy? Fantasy is just like looking like this. So these are the 5 things. Okay, so now CSS font family properties. So there are so many properties out there: Times New Roman, serif, Arial, sans serif. Actually, we have done the program previous day, but again I am just telling you for the reminder actually. Okay, so try it yourself. So what they are doing here, they are taking the class P1 class, P2 class, and P3 class as discussed. P1 class, P2 class, and P3 class. So here is the font family: Times New Roman, Times, and serif. These are the values of the font family. And there is P2 class, and they have discussed the font family. There is P3 class, and these are the properties: console, query, and monospace. Monospace is this is the serif, this is the sans serif, and this is the monospace. These 3 are the font. font family. And these are the three class, and in the style tag, head tag, and body tag. And next, they are doing the p class. This is the paragraph. They are doing these things, and then body tag and HTML tag. So I'm just quickly running this program.
So you are not audible, sir.
Now I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now I'm just running this program. Just go live and what you see. This is the CSS. This is the output CSS font family. This is a paragraph. This is the new Roman font. This is the Arial font, and this is the monospace that we have already seen. This is the monospace, sans serif, and this is the serif. This is goes to serif because this is the P1 class, and in the P2 class, this goes to sans serif, this goes to sans serif, and this goes to monospace. So this is the output. It is nothing but that is the your font family. Okay, this is we already discussed. So next, move forward. You don't have to do this because you already done in the previous session. Let's close this and move to the next topic. There are so many website fonts, so actually you don't have to go depth in the fonts. Actually, you just have to see here CSS fonts, font family, style, size, CSS, just CSS family, CSS style, and CSS font size. Bus. And you don't have to do anything. Google font pairings, font shorthand. You don't go that. Just go to the font family, font style, and font size. So okay, so font family is done. Then go next is font style. So next, font style. So what is font style? There are three property values actually in the font style: normal, italic, and public. The text is so normally. Whatever you write the text per paragraph, this text is so normally italic. The text is shown in italics. Whatever you write, the text is shown as italics, italic style, and oblique. This text is leaning. So that is the thing. So there are three types of thing: normal, italic, and public. You just go through this, you can understand. So here in this example, what they are doing p dot normal. They are similarly taking three class: p dot normal, p dot italic, and p dot oblique. Font style is normal. They are mentioned italic, and here they are mentioned oblique. So three properties in the font property. And style, head, and body end. And again, just similar way, they are taking the normal. This is a paragraph in normal style. So in this text, just looking like simple. This is a paragraph in italic style. So this is the italic style, as you see here. And this is a paragraph in oblique style. This is the oblique style. This is the pure up. So if I just doing this in system, I'm just removing this. Similar way, this is the normal style, this is the italic style, and this is the oblique style. So this is the font style property. Okay, so we go to the next. This is very easy, small example. And next we go to the font size. This is the another important. This is for font size. So what is font size? Okay, so first of all, Orgodi Vikram, you Devendra understand?
Yes, sir.
So next come to the font size. So what is font size? Size means you write one program. You write on in the program you write on paragraph. Suppose you write on paragraph or text, then you have to just specify the size. What is the size of the text? Absolute. There are so many sizes: absolute size, relative size, absolute size, and font size with pixel. You just this is the font size and this is the value. What is the value? This is called 40 px. Px means pixel. This is your font size. Just similarly, we go to this program. We just new file. What they are doing h1 tag, this h1, h2, and this is one p. So here font size is 40 pixel. So just remember, this is not class. If you have class, so if you just go to dot h1, this is the class, but this is not a class. H1 40 pixel, H2 30 pixel, and paragraph 14 pixel. Here the heading means this is heading 1. This goes to 40 pixel, and this is heading 2 H2. This goes to 30 pixel, and this is paragraph. This goes to 14 pixel, and here body and HTML tag. Okay, so next we run this. And just see the output here. This is heading 1. This is 40 pixel, and this is what is the pixel? This is 30 pixel and 14 pixel. This is 13 pixel, 14 pixel, and this is the another paragraph. So this goes to font size. This goes to font size. Now next, okay, you can do one thing. I'm just sharing you this code. I'm just sharing you this code. You can do this in your system. This is not pixel. You just remember here the font size is not in pixel. Font size is just EM. And EM means what? 30 pixel by 16, 1.875 EM. This is called another unit. So 30 pixel divided by, if we do 30 pixel divided by 16, this is called 1.875 EM. So you don't bother about the unit and this thing. Just in your system. And show the output. And I am stop the sharing. Do the program. One new candidate is here. I think is Rajiv. Rajiv, you are new, right? Hello, Rajiv.
Yes, sir, I'm new.
Okay, so you have VS Studio Code and right?
No, sir, currently I haven't installed it.
Okay, so you don't install. Okay, right. So please quickly share your screen.
I 1 minute.
Okay. So that you can install the VS Code and start doing the practice.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sharing.
Yes. Sure. Okay, so please first go to your browser. Yes, go to your browser.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now here you just write install Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio and then install. Yes, this one, please. Okay, please start Visual Studio Code.
Sir, it is a little bit slow. The first one.
Yes, the first one. In the meantime, everyone just do another code. I am just sharing another font size example. Just see in the chat box. Everyone just do. And here I am just explaining. Here what they are doing. They are doing just name, meta name, viewport. They are taking viewport and content. This is the one type of property, meta name and content. Device with initial scale 1.0. This is the, and then H1 style font size 10 VW. VW is another unit, just like your EM. VW is another unit, just like the your pixel. Is, and then responsive text. Another is P style, paragraph style started. And then again another style is P style. This is called paragraph style actually. Font size 5 VW. VW is viewport. And again this is called P. Viewport is the browser window size, and whatever they write in the, this is called viewport. And then body and HTML tag end. So just run this in your system. Rajiv, is
Hello.
yes, it is a little bit hanging, right?
Lagging and
Yes. Okay, is it opening? Just stop
yes,
share.
sir.
And I'm just sharing another go to next topic. Okay, before that, okay, Devendra, please share your screen. Devendra,
Hello.
yes, share your screen.
Yes.
Okay, so you have done these two program. This is the A program, yes. So yes, go to the output. Yes. Okay. Now go to the next topic. Now your voice is breaking again. Then.
Yeah. VW.
VW means your viewport. You just see in the line number 3, meta name equals to viewport. This is one kind of property. This is called viewport. So your font here in line number 6, heading 1, style equal to font size 10 VW. VW means viewport. This is one kind of unit. Suppose you write font size 10 pixel. In a similar kind of way, it is one type of unit. Rather than px, we just write VW. VW means viewport. And px, just like px means pixel, we write px means viewport.
Okay, sir.
And another is em. Another point is em. Another unit. There are different units. Now the main thing is what? Main thing is to resize your text or paragraph. Whatever you write, just you have to increase the size or decrease the size. That is the main fund actually. Okay, stop
sir.
here. Yes. Now next is CSS icons. We just don't go to the depth. Just little bit we understand what is CSS icons. So as you can see here, these are the different types of icons out there. Just see here. These are blinking also. Icons will easily be added in your HTML page. So how we add the items? This is cloud kind of items. Cloud, and this car icon, and this is called thumbs up icon. How we can add the icon? The simplest add icon to your HTML page. We can icon library. So we have icon library. So that is the thing. We have to use script tag. We have to use here. So this is the new learning. So we have to use the script tag. Script src. Just write. We add the image src. I think you remember. In a similar way, when you add any icon, then you have to write script src, and you downloaded icon. You can copy and paste the path here. This is your downloaded icon. Just like you download the image, in the scenario you can download the image. Download the icon. Script src equal to icon and cross origin anonymous. This is another property, cross origin, and script tag print. This is the main line of the icon. So we go through the example. So this is so more understand better. So what they are doing, this is for title font awesome icons. So font awesome icon, this is the title, and meta name viewport, similar way content with initial scale 1. This is for scale 1. And here the script src it is, they are taking the cloud type icon. They are taking the cloud type icon. So they have downloaded already this kind of icon. The script is as equal to this and cross origin and no script type. You can get this from fontawesome.com. Fontawesome.com. You can get this from. So if we can go through the font awesome. Font awesome. You just go through there, go through this website. Just see here, there are so many font is out there. Just see here, this is the icons. You can download the icons here and add this. Just all new thin icons, tab favorites, humanitarian icons. There are so many icons out there, so many icons. Air condition icon, airplay, alarm clock icon, alarm exclamation icon. And just you just go through, just look at here. Font some icon and HTML. We have to use this HTML. I class equals to air conditioner. This is, you can download this. You can copy this. You can download this, and you can add this in your code. From here, you can download the different types of icons. So I am close this website. Okay, so next, what they are doing H1 font awesome icon library. Font awesome icon library. It is a heading tag. Some font awesome icons, some font awesome icons. These are the icons. If a cloud, this is called cloud type icon. If a cloud, if a heart, this is called heart shaped icon. This is card shaped icon. This is file shaped icon, and this is bar shaped icon. So these all are the class. You just add it. Just add IE class and what and from where you can download this and from where you can get this file. Just go to, I'm just previously shown you, just go to the fontasm dot okay, I'm just sharing you the link. You can just copy and paste this line. I'm just sharing you the fontasm.com. They are taking the cloud, heart, car, file, and bars. And next, what they are doing style from awesome icons. Again, they are doing all the cloud icons. Small cloud, then again increase the size of the cloud, then again in another cloud, then again another cloud. So these are they are taking font size 24. This cloud size is 24. Style font size 24, 36. This is 36 pixel cloud. 48 pixel. Color red. They are taking one color. This is called red. And I am changing the color. Color screen out there. And this is light blue. This is light blue. They are taking change the red. And this and change the rate. So what is your likings, you can change this. And so main thing is we have to add this portion. We have to add this portion in the font awesome. Main thing here. Okay, so I am just sharing you the code. You can do this. Just do this in your system. Maybe your image, maybe your icon may be come or may not be come because they have taken already on default icon. So in your system, better you can download from Foundation and you can paste this.
Image not showing, sir.
Yes, that problem will occur in the similar way. In the similar problem, we can show in the image also. So you have to download it from Foundation and you can paste this. Okay, I am just another thing. Another program I am just giving you. Just do this. Similar type of program. Okay, Rajiv, please share your screen. Hello, Rajiv.
Sir, its
Yes,
system
yes.
is very slow. I'm sharing it. I have downloaded the Visual Studio codes and the Windows 64-bit.
Okay, now yes, install this, run this.
Hello?
Yes, Rajiv.
Sir, I think I will install separately because it's getting more slower when I use the Zoom call.
Okay, okay, stop. Okay, we can move to the next. Orgodip, can you share your screen? Hello, Orgodip.
Sir, yes.
Yes. Okay, so icons are coming, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the previous one?
This one are not coming icons.
Icons are not coming. So you have to download from the font person, then you can paste this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, stop sharing. Again, I am just showing you how to install and paste. Just go to your then you can choose any fonts. Just I am choosing this type of fonts. Just click there, and there are so many fonts out there. You can download all the packages also. Yeah, here the code is already there. You can copy and paste there also. If the code is not there, just go through the icons. Just go through here the icons. And here, copy and paste. Copy and paste in your. So that is the thing. Okay, so now move to the next. You don't have to go to the Google icons. This is not necessary actually. You can go to the next. Next is Css links. Okay, so links are very important. Okay, so links means you already have done the HTML links, how to add a link in HTML. So if you, in the moment you click the link, you can go to the another website or another web page. Okay, so let's start. So there is a style. You have to also style the link, color, font family, background. So let's start with the first example. This is they're taking a color hot pink. They're taking hot pink, and then heading tag style a link with a color. Style a link with a color, and they are taking href. Href means what? Href means hypertext reference, as you already know in the HTML. The similar. A means anchor tag is href default.asp target blank, and here the link. This is a link. This is a link, and body HTML tag end. So I'm just doing this. And paste. Then I have to run. Style a link with a color, and this is a link. I am changing the why it is not getting. Okay, now it is working. So previously the link of the website is not correct. Now it is correct. This link is perfectly fine now. Again, I am checking. I am just giving here the our company's website. I have to paste the correct part. the link. Okay. So yes, the website is opening. Then go to the next. There are four links out there: a link, a visited, hover, and active. Hover means you just have to hover and you just see the link. Okay, this is a very good example. They are taking a link color red, a visited color green, a hover color hot pink, and a active color blue. So these four properties they are taken, and then styling a link depending on state. Styling a link depending on state, and then href target blank. This is a link must come after they have written something, and in the paragraph tag, and again the paragraph tag they have written something, and the body HTML tag. So just do this. Do this program in your system. Okay, and another example is out there. This is background color. So background color property. So you can do this. Getting another code. Just do this to code. Hello, Shushmita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why Dia is not joined?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, anyone, can you share your screen? Hello, anyone? Okay, just show the output of the two program. Yes, yes. Okay, just click the link.
Here I have changed.
Okay. Is it? It is working. Okay, and go to the next.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, why you use link, visited, hovered, and active?
These are the different properties. These are the different properties out there. Your own property is link, your own property is a visited, a hovered, a active. So these are all of your another property.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so you change the border and color, right?
Is my screen still showing? Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, okay, it is stop the share.
Okay.
Okay, now move to the next. Okay, so now another property is background color. Another property is background color. We have to use the background color. It's a property. Okay, I am just doing this. We have to cancel the home actually. It is not taken the home. Now I think it is fine now. Let's check. Yes, now it is working. So we have to just remove the home. What they are just doing here background color yellow, background color and here light green, hot pink, and then here the styling a link with background color property hitting to that, and then I am just giving the link, the website link, and then they have taken written one thing, written the another thing in the paragraph tag. This is the note. One kind of note is there, and body and HTML tag. Now move to the next program. Another is like buttons. This is not important because this is the, I'm just telling you, a link, a visited, they are taking the visited, they are not taking the visited separately, they are taking the visited with the link. And the back, they're taking the background color, color padding, text, align text, decoration, and display. And again, hover and active, background color is red. So link button, here is the link button, and a link style as a button. A link style as a button, then they have taken, they are putting the link, and this is not just a link, this is the link with the button. If you press the button, the link will open. If you press the button, the link will open. So that is the thing. In the previous example, we just click the link, but here this is the button type link. Just click there and website will open. Okay, now move to the next. Now move to the CSS list. So there are two types of there are two types of list. One is ordered list and another is unordered list. Ordered list means first C comes, then T 1, 2, 3. This kind of order will come. And again, 1, 2, 3. These are called the Roman thing, Roman type numbering, and coffee, tea, and Coca-Cola. And again, unordered list, coffee, tea, Coca-Cola. These are the unordered list. There is no need to order. So there are two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. So for the unordered list, in just like this similar way, in the HTML, you just use the UL tag. UL tag means unordered list, and OL means ordered list. For the OL list, we just have to declare OL tag, and for the unordered list, we just have to declare the UL tag. Okay, just going to the example. Just I am just doing this. Here, this list type, this is the output. Here the unordered list, coffee, tea, Coca-Cola. This is the unordered list, coffee, tea, Coca-Cola again, unordered list. And here is the ordered list, Roman 1, 2, 3 and ABC. A, then B, then C. This is the ordered list. First come A, then come B, then come C. But here, as you see, there is anything. There is unordered list, not organized, but it is organized. That is the thing of the unordered and ordered list in CSS. Okay. I'm just sharing you the link, sharing you the code also. Let's do this. Okay, Devendra, share your screen. Hello, Devendra. Okay, Bikram, share your screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the unordered and ordered list, right? So there is numbering A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3. These are the ordered list and these are the unordered list.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now stop. Okay, so move to the next. These are the list. Now go to the tables. The similar kind of way, CSS text, CSS fonts, icons, links, list, tables. These all are you have already done in the HTML. HTML text, HTML list, HTML tables. But in the CSS also we have to do the similar. So this is the table. As you can see here, this is the company name, contact, and country. This is the company name and contact person, and this is the country. This is the smallest table. How we make the table? Okay, so first of all, here HTML start as customers. This is not the class. Again, I repeated when it's hash, not the it is not a class. This is for customers. This is the font family. They are taking the font family and they are already written in sans serif. Border colors collapse and with 100%. So customer TD, customer TH. TD and TH in the table. You already know in this table. In the table, we have to use TD and TH. This is called customer TD, customer TH. Otherwise, without the TD and TH, we don't build the table-like structure. This is called border and padding. And background color is this. This is called TR, Hoover. Background color as triple. These are the colors, color value of the colors. And then customer TH. Padding top, padding bottom, text align, background color and color. And then style, hidden body tag again. A fancy table. Table name is a fancy table. And then table ID equals to customers. So you know is the ID. You already mentioned here the has customers means customer is your ID, not class. TB ID customer, then tier case company contact country. You can see the column name, company contact country. Column name, we have to use the TH tag inside the tier tag. And again in the tier tag, you have to just use Alfred, whatever they write in the here. Island Trading, Ernst Handel, Center Commercial, whatever they just write here, you have to just write inside the TB, inside the tier tag. In case you have just like to add the row. Lastly, in the table tag, and then body and HTML tag again. So do this. So always remember in the main thing is here. What main thing is here? In the TR tag, inside the TR tag, inside the TD tag, we just write Island Trading. Here you write Island Trading. Ellen Bennett is called UK. That is the main thing is there.
So you are not audible, sir.
Actually, here the my copy and paste is not working actually. I'm just copy and paste so that you can do, but in the chat section, copy and paste not working actually. That's why. Just okay, I have to rejoin, so I can make one host. Okay, so Bikram,
Yes, sir.
so I make you host. I actually rejoin in the meeting.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so recording will be disturbed actually. Okay, I am just again just wait. Why it is not pasting actually?
So you can paste in WhatsApp group.
Yes, I can paste in the WhatsApp group also, but better paste here. I am just doing in the WhatsApp group. Just see, I am pasting in the WhatsApp. Just see in the WhatsApp group. I have already pasted. Orgodin, now share your screen. Hello, Orgodin.
Please wait. My Chrome is not working. Please wait.
Okay.
So I can share my screen.
Yes, share. So table has formed. So just remember one thing in when you table, when you just form the table, you just write the tr tag, and inside the tr tag you just write td tag, and inside the td tag you just write the column name, company, contact, and country. These are th is the column and td is the row. This
Yes,
is
sir.
the main thing in the table. Okay, now stop share. This is the table size. You can just go to the table size also. This is the nothing. This is the just height. They are taking just height, width, height, first name, last name, savings, first name, last name, and savings. They are just doing Peter Griffin and $1,000. Peter Griffin $1,000, and again Louis Griffin $150. Louis Griffin $150. In that type, they are from another table. And here that actually they mention the table size. Table size is 70 pixels. If we change the table size, now we just go to table style. So table alignment is not important. Table style. Padding, text, align, left. These are the all style. Table, text, and border, text, align, border and width, and padding 15 pixels. And again, they are building one table, and they have written something. The padding property is here, and the paragraph. The property adds space between the border and the content in the table. And they are building the table.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, what if how to select only the last column to make the text alignment center? How do I do that?
So you just have to write text align center. Here they are writing text align left.
Yeah, if I make it center, all the cells will be text aligned to
Yes.
center, right?
Yes,
But
yes.
what I want to do is only the savings column has to be the text aligned center.
Okay.
How do I select only the one column?
Okay. That column.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Just so you just have to do. You just have to do the savings. What is the ID of the savings? You have to just create on ID.
Okay.
You just have to create on ID, and then suppose your ID is suppose H1 is your ID. Suppose I am taking H1 is your ID. Then H1 H1 slash savings. H1 savings. Then second bracket. Then you have to just give whatever you give, border color, width, or text align, border color, background color, whatever it is. This portion will change. This portion.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Okay, there are so many things in the CSS, but we don't need actually so many things. We just know the CSS basic. That's all. We don't need to go to the CSS advanced and CSS. We just need the CSS basics. In the actually in real life project, we just need the knowledge of the CSS basics, nothing else. There are so many things in the CSS, but you don't go through all the things. Okay, so now these things are not very important. CSS, you can go through this, but these things are not very important in case of the real life project. So I just go to CSS drop downs. This is the little bit important, so I can understand. So what is a drop down? Drop down just like this. Link one, link two, link two. This is the drop down. You can if you hover on this, these three things will come. If you just remove the cursor, this will be. This is the thing. This is the drop down. So just do one example. Just I'm doing this in my system. I'm just creating one file. So now run this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this will be the thing. And if you just hover here, mouse over me, just hover here. Let's see one pop-up will come. Hello world. If you just remove this, this is the hover. This is called the hover. Okay, so this is the drop down. They have taken one class that is called dot drop down. Position relative display inline block. Drop down. Now they have taken another class drop down content display position background color. This all the properties they have taken padding and drop down hover. What I will say, this is hover. You just right here. You just go to here and just see this box. This is called hover. A display block. Just go through here. This is called one type of box. Hello world. And here hello world is written in the paragraph text. Mouse over me. This is called mouse over me in the span tag. Mouse over me and here hello world is written. And then body HTML tag. So okay, I'm just trying. It is copy and paste or not. Now it is copy and paste. Just do this in your system. This drop down is very important. Suppose when you make any form or something, then this drop down button will come, and this drop down button is very important. Okay, Devendra, share a screen. Oh, I think yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, share a screen. Yes, just go to the mouse over.
Yes.
Yes, the word is come, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is called hoverable dropdown. Okay, just I'm just sharing in the WhatsApp another code. Just wait. Okay, stop share. I'm just paste the code in the WhatsApp. Just do this code. Okay, now our next topic is CSS forms. Our next topic is CSS forms. So we have to end the CSS today. So we have left two things. I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, we have just go to the CSS forms and then CSS website layout. That is it. CSS forms and CSS website layout. So CSS form, I think you already know about the CSS forms because you already done the assignment. Okay, so I'm just doing this. These are small forms. You can go through the another form. I'm just okay. So I'm just doing this code. Now I have to run this. Just see here, this is the basically one form. Right here. And just write here Vikram Puran. This is the first name and last name. Input fields with color. This is the name. So here the color is white. I can change the color. I can take this to aqua, then stop this and again run this. Now I am just right. Then the color is changed. So that is the thing. I am just pasting the code. Just do this code, and we have left last one thing that is called CSS website layout. Okay, Vikram, please share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am just stop share. Yes, so color is changing. Change the color. Change color, change background color. That is called CSS with forms. You have already done the forms in the HTML. Now you are doing the CSS to add the color in the form. Okay.
It's a color change.
Yes, the stop share. And now we are just doing the last thing, that's the CSS website layout. CSS website layout. So this is called website. So in the website, what we have done? Suppose this is the website. This w3schools.com is the one website, and this is the tab CSS website layout. This is one tab. This is the thing. These are the navigation bar: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP, Bootstrap, w3.css, Java. This is the navigation bar. Navigation bar, or this will have to say navigation menu. And this is the header part. And this is the header part. This is the navigation part. This is the header part. This is the navigation menu, and this is the content. So here, whatever the topics is out there, this is called content. And this is the main content. Whatever here they are written, the information, the theory, and the code also, this all are under the main content. And here is the content. And here is the whatever they are right here. This is the content. So the basic structure of the website is what? Basic structure of the website, and this is called footer. Obviously, this is called footer. What is the footer? Footer is you just go through there and we just see here the information about the website. This section is called the footer. So basically, these are the three sections out there: header, main content or body, header, body, and footer. These three are the main three basic structure or skeleton for building a website. Okay, so just how to write header and footer. I'm just giving one example. You can try it yourself. Okay, so this is the website. Okay, so this is the nice example. I'm just first of all I'm just doing. This is a little bit lengthy code, but this will be very easy. Of the code and run the code again. Okay, so this is the website. They have written my website. I resize the browser to see the effect. So they have taken the link. The navigation link actually, navigation bar. What is the navigation bar? Navigation bar is this part. This part is the navigation bar. HTML, JavaScript, this is the navigation. Link, link, and link. Title, heading, whatever you have added is the image section. You can add any image. This about me. This is on another website. Title, heading, some text, and this is called the footer section. This is called the footer section. So this is the basic website structure. Okay, so I'm just sharing this with you. This will work or not? Again, this will not work. Okay. Okay, I paste this in the WhatsApp group. Okay, I paste this in the WhatsApp group. So everyone just change this, do this, and within the next session, everyone just build this website and submit it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. I'm just with the reference. I'm just sending the code in the WhatsApp group. You can build one basic structure of a website. This is your next task, and we can see this, and you have to submit this within the module. In the WhatsApp, I am already sent it. So just you can take the help from this. Understand, Vikram and everyone?
Yes, sir.
I have already shared the code in the WhatsApp. You just help from there and just make one basic website and send it in the WhatsApp.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, so in the so our CSS has ended, and from the next day we will start the JavaScript. We have ended the HTML and CSS, so next day we will start the JavaScript. Okay, so good night, everyone, and thank you.
Good night, sir.
Good night.